Namaste, beautiful spirit. Let's begin in a wide child's pose. Rest your knees wide apart and surrender your heart and upper body to the earth. Let any worries be washed away with your breath. Let your carefree spirit take over. When you relax into the flow, everything unfolds beautifully. Use this mantra to bring more intention to your practice. I am in harmony with the carefree, nourishing, and loving energy of my heart. And bring your palms over to the left and rest forward into your child's pose with this gentle side bend through your right side body. Place your left palm by your left hip and lift up into a seated side bend, sweeping the right arm up and overhead. And sweep your arms over to your right and melt into your child's pose side bend variation. Your right hand comes more near the right hip. Lift your upper body into your seated side bend. And breathing deeply, sending your breath down and down. Release your hands to the front of your mat and gently lower all the way down to your front body. Keep your hands by your rib cage. As you breathe in, lift shoulders and your head away from the mat, and then lower as you breathe out. Flow through this a few times at your own rhythm. And pause in your Cobra for a few deep rounds of breath. And when you exhale, press through your palms. Travel back to downward facing dog. And let the lightness of your breath flow in, grounding you into this beautiful shape. Stretch your left leg up towards the stars. Bend your left knee. Pause in this open hip space stretch. When you breathe out, swim the left knee towards the left elbow. And then extend your left leg back up and open the hip space again. Release your left foot to the mat, move to the right leg. Open the right hip space. And gently draw the right knee forward, create space through the hips, and sweep the right leg up again. Open through the hip space. Bring the right foot to the center of your mat and step into your standing forward fold. Bring your right hand to your left ankle and inhale, open the left arm to the sky. And as you breathe out, fold forward. Breathe in, open to your twist, and then fold again. This time we'll pause and hold in our twist. Send your left arm up towards the clouds. Breathe deeply, hugging your navel in as you exhale. Flow to the other side. Open the right arm and then release down. Open to your twist and fold forward as you breathe out. Breathe in, stretch your arms wide apart from each other. Pause here. Bring your hands behind your low back. Interlace your fingers. Straighten and stretch your arms away from you. Release your hands to your low back and then down to the earth. Step back to all fours, bows your tabletop. Let your hips sink back so you can slide your arms forward and release your heart towards the earth in your puppy pose. Breathe deeply. Feel the beautiful, carefree energy of your heart space being illuminated. Sink your hips back again. Slide your palms back, round up to your tabletop. Step your feet into Malasana, your yogi squat. Pointing your feet, knees, and hips open. Use your hands for support. Open the hips by pointing one knee towards the back of your mat. Rock back and forth. Feel this movement releasing any old energy, leaving you lighter and more peaceful. And take this posture in stillness for a few cycles of your breath. Release your hands to the earth. Gently drop your knees to your mat. Slide your hands back. Stand onto your knees. Reach your arms up towards the stars. And bring your hands down behind you into your camel pose. Infuse this posture with our mantra. I am in harmony with the carefree, nourishing, and loving energy of my heart. Release and roll your shoulders back over your hips. And find your way to your butterfly pose. Bring the soles of the feet together. Let your knees and hips open. Relax your forearms down to your mat. Bring your left hand over the left thigh and gently help open the left hip space. Let the left forearm come down, move over to the right, using light pressure with the right hand on your right thigh. Let's take a few final breaths. Release both forearms down to the earth. Let your back, your neck, and your jaw all relax here. Bring yourself back up to your seat. Extend your legs out to a wide V shape. Bring your forearms to your mat here. Use a few cycles of breath to settle in. Bring your hands behind your low back. Interlace your fingers and stretch your arms and hands away from you. With each exhale, let your legs and your upper body sink towards the earth. Let your hands gently come down. Bring yourself up to a cross-legged seat. Turn to your left for a gentle seated twist. Look towards the back of your mat. Lengthening the rhythm of your breath. Flow through center, turn to your right. Pause and breathe here. Let go and come out of your twist. Move down to your back into your final resting pose, Savasana. Allow your body to fully relax. Close down your eyes and really enjoy just being for a few moments of beautiful and quiet stillness. reconnect with our mantra. I am in harmony with the carefree, nourishing, and loving energy of my heart. When you're ready to close your practice, reconnect with your breath, ground into your body. And when you're ready to leave your mat, do so slowly and mindfully. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. It was beautiful to share this time with you. To support my work, please subscribe. Give this video a like if you enjoyed your practice, and comment if you'd like to connect. Much, much love and gratitude. See you again soon.